Leetcode Daily Challenge. Question 1886. Determine whether matrix can be obtained by rotation. This is an easy problem. This problem is asking us to check if it is possible to turn the original matrix to the target matrix by turning it in 90-degree increments. So let's think about this question this way. How many options do we have to turn this original matrix? Obviously 4. The first one is we turn this matrix 0 times, or we keep it still, we don't touch it. We can turn it 1 time, we can turn it twice, we can turn it 3 times. Of course, we can turn it 4 times, but it will be the same as the first option, which means we have 4 possible scenarios. If we can check these 4 scenarios, which means if we compare the turned matrix to the target matrix, if they are identical, that means it is possible. Otherwise, it is impossible. But any of these 4 options make sense, then we can say it is true. Otherwise, none of these options make sense, then we have to say false. But anyway, this is the solution. We're gonna solve this problem.